As a GP receptionist, I am here to direct you to the right person or service for you. As a receptionist, I am part of the primary care team, and I'm here to help you make the primary choice to see the right healthcare professional. To do that, I'll need to ask you what help you need today. Don't worry though, everything you say to me is completely confidential and will help me ensure you see the right person for your needs. The practice has a team of clinicians who all specialise in different areas. Sometimes the GP isn't the right person for your problem. Instead, it might be the general practice nurse or another member of the primary care team. As a receptionist, I'm part of the primary care team, and I'm here to help you make the primary choice to see the right member of the team and get the most appropriate treatment faster.